What's up guys, and welcome back to another episode. In today's video we're going to be throwing on a window banner, and I'm going to be showing you guys how to do it. Now I haven't done this before either, so we're going to be learning together. Before we get into it guys, if you guys aren't already, make sure to smash that big red subscribe button down below. We are on our way to 1,300 subscribers, and for those of you who are already subscribed, thank you guys for joining in to another video. Let's get into it. So some things you guys are going to need: some tape, some glass cleaner, a rag for the glass cleaner, a knife, and of course your vinyl of your choosing. So the way I'm going to go ahead and do this guys, this is not an actual banner. So I ordered this because I was actually originally going to use it to rewrap my pillars black. So they're just sitting there, so if I mess up, it is what it is. But we're going to try not to do that. So pretty much what I'm going to do is I'm going to start off by cleaning the window. And then I'm going to find where I want the banner to sit, how low I want it to be. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to measure and then use some tape. And I'm going to tape across the whole thing. It would be better with knifeless tape, but I don't have any. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my blade and just cut against the tape line into the vinyl, cutting it all the way across. And then from there we'll just use the existing body that's there and cut all of it out. So with that being said, I'm going to set you guys up. We're going to start off by cleaning the windshield, do some measurements, and find out where we want it. Now that you have your window all clean, you can use your tape measure to find out where exactly you want it. In my case, I'm going to go ahead and use this right here. Let me see if I can get it to focus. This is a digital, it's not focusing, but a digital caliper. So pretty much I just turn it on right here. And that way, it measures out. So I'm going to go ahead and measure it onto the car, see exactly where it is I would want it. And we'll go from there. I went ahead and put the measurement from there to right here. So now what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to get inside the car and see if I like where that is at. So it's going to be to there. I would actually like it to sit a bit lower, so I'm going to put it right below that one, and I think that should be good. Okay guys, so I found a good place for it right there, and then measuring it out using this, it measures out to be 6.05 inches. So pretty much I'm going to mimic that right onto the other side. Perfect. So now I have my tape marks right there and right there perfectly measured out, and now I'm going to go ahead and put one right in the center. Alright guys, so I measured out throughout the whole thing 6.5 inches all the way. So it's not 100% perfect. So I came up with this idea actually because I started measuring, so that's good, but then maybe like right here it's a little off. So I decided, you know what, I'm gonna keep that and pretty much just trace it, and it'll give me like the perfect line, and then I'll take my blade on that, and then we should have a good line. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that to the entire thing and then get it cut. Alright, so I got that completely cut now. So is it perfect by 100%? No, it's not. But it does look really good, and you may not be able to tell. I don't know. But we're going to go through with it because I have that laying around, so I might as well do something. So yeah, pretty much now I just need to cap off these on both sides. I'm going to double check it, and then we're going to lay down the vinyl. We're going to clean it one more time and then lay down the vinyl. Alright guys, so I'm pretty much just using this gloss black. So we're just going to pretty much lay it on and then start squeegeeing it, and then we'll begin the cutting after.
On this journey we will find our souls begin to intertwine. Your heart of gold, so pure, divine, and I lost myself within the fire, breaking free from my desire. A heart of gold forged to inspire. It's dark.
Alright, there it is. We got the entire thing pretty much laid. It's looking extremely good, real glossy. No bubbles actually at all. So now, as you can see, we have that line right here. So now we're pretty much gonna cut on that, cut all this, and we're done. Word of advice though, guys, unless you guys for some reason want to do this, I wouldn't recommend it. I would just recommend buying a banner. But if you guys wanted, if you have vinyl laying around and consider making a banner, I hope this helps you, because this is my first time ever doing it. And honestly, the hardest part, I think, is just getting that perfect line that you want, to be honest. So, alright, I'm going to go ahead and go over it again and, you know, make sure everything's laid down nicely. If you guys notice, I did not use the squeegee, I just used my thumb and kind of just did that all through it. So I'm going to go ahead and pretty much touch up in here and whatnot, and then over there, the top and all of this, and then we're going to trim. So this is as far as I've gotten so far, and pretty much once you start cutting on the line, that's how it's going to look all in here. And then of course, you know, once you peel the tape off, it's going to give you that line. And if you want an even better line, I mean, I guess you can probably go buy some pinstriping, like very thin pinstriping, and kind of like put it along the whole thing just to clean it up. But anyways, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and finish this off. As of right now, I'm super happy, but when it comes to vinyl, I usually don't have good luck, so somewhere along the lines over there, I may or may not mess up, who knows. But I'm gonna keep it steady, and I'm just gonna pick up the camera once I'm done. It's pretty boring, I'm just literally cutting, so pick up the camera once we're done with this. And there it is, guys. By all means, it is not perfect. This line was very hard to do, but I don't think you'd really notice too much. This is dead on. But look at that gloss. Nice, beautiful finish. There it is, guys. My newly done banner, I guess you can say. I like it. It's very subtle, yet it looks so good. So like you can see, it's nice line, and then bam, right, where's that? Right there. Doesn't really pick up on camera, but on camera it actually looks really good. Let's go ahead and sit inside the car and see how it looks. Alright, so coming in, there it is right there. Nice. So that's gonna keep out the sun nicely. Heck yeah, dude, I love it. I really do. I don't know if it's just me, but it actually seems a little bit darker inside here. I doubt it. It's probably just all in my head, but yo, I like it a lot. So once my windows are tinted as well, it's gonna look so good. But there it is, guys. Oh, right there, you can see it now. Watch, right there, you can see it. I'm super stoked. If you guys like it, make sure to smash that thumbs up. If you found this video a little bit useful and it might help you guys for when you do yours, also smash that thumbs up and consider subscribing if you guys aren't already. This is my 99 LS400. We just got a 326 wing on in my previous video, so if you guys haven't seen that video, make sure to go watch that after this. Hope to see you all in the next one, and until next time, as always, peace out.